Alright guys, so today's video is about S8 Ultra Smartwatch SIM card insert and setup. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So the first thing to do here is to bring out your SIM card from the pack like this and use the nano shape side. Okay, now once you have done that, now you go to the smartwatch and you are going to pull out this orange button here. You are going to see just a small space. You can use your finger to pull it out, or you find something to bring it out like this. You are going to see that it has a SIM card tray. So you are going to place this nano SIM, follow the shape or pattern of the SIM card tray. So let's put it. Once you place it, you are going to see it will sit properly in that SIM card tray. Now take your smartwatch and input your SIM card tray back to its position. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see that the smartwatch will come on, but there will be no network service or network signal on the smartwatch. The next thing to do is to now reboot the smartwatch, because it doesn't work like the smartphone when you insert the SIM. Okay, but every other function work like a smartphone. So we are going to press hold this down button this way, and you're going to see the options. Select reboot, the blue one, and it's going to reboot itself. This is going to take you about 1 minute there, about or less. So once it is up and running, you can now start using it. We're going to see a 4G notification or a 4G signal on this smartwatch signal bar. So let's just wait for it to load up. Now we have our smartwatch up and running. Our S8 Ultra is up and running. So just swipe down this way and you are going to see the 4G signal bar on it, which you can see here. So that means it has been successfully installed on the smartwatch. So you can use your SIM card to call numbers, to do everything that your normal Android phone can do. So let's dial a number. So I'm going to dial my number right now. And so let's test it. Let's see if it's going to work. As you can see, it is ringing on my phone. Okay, so I'm going to pick that now. Hello? Hello? How are you doing? Okay, thank you. So guys, you can see that it is working. So that is how to do the S8 Ultra Smartwatch SIM card insert and setup. So if you have any issue, please drop it down there in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Peace.